Hello and good day to you. Today's animated video of our greeting card fold series is Offset Basic Fold Card in Portrait. Materials needed: cardstock A4 250 grams to 300 grams in cream or any color of choice, scoreboard, scoring tool, glue, scissors or paper trimmer, plain cardstock A4 in 100 grams, cream color and gray color, ribbon, printed floral design decoupage paper, printed floral design insert. Instructions. Step 1. Place the cream cardstock in a landscape orientation on the scoreboard. Step 2. Using the scoring tool, score the greeting card in 11.5 centimeters or 4.5 inches. Step 3. Fold the score line and burnish. Step 4. Before decorating, rotate the card and ensure the spine of the card is on the left and the card opens outwards from front flap to the left. To decorate, Step 5. Place the gray cardstock 100 grams in a landscape orientation on the scoreboard. Step 6. Using the scoring tool, score the 100-gram cardstock on the 11 centimeters or 4.33 inches. Step 7. Place the 11 centimeters or 4.33 inches gray cardstock in a portrait orientation on the scoreboard. Step 8. Using the scoring tool, score the 100 grams cardstock on the 1 centimeter or 0.39 inch. Step 9. And then cut on the scored lines with a scissors or paper trimmer. Gray layered background paper made. Step 10. Glue the 11 centimeters or 4.33 inches gray card to the front flap of the cream card. Note the borders with matting and layering effect. The top left and bottom have borders, but the right is on the edge of the front flap. Step 11. Cut out the floral spray from the decoupage paper and then glue the floral spray to the gray card. Note that the floral spray motif is slightly over the right edge of the front flap and thereby acting like a decorative border. Step 12. Cut out 22.2 centimeters or 8.74 inches from the single motif pattern cardstock and then glue to the front of the right flap inside of card. This can be printed on the single motif cardstock or printed on a different paper and then glued to the single motif cardstock or paper. Step 13. Cut out the triangular piece from the gray cardstock and then glue it to the inside of the card with the pointed tip at the outer corner. This acts as the bouquet wrap. Step 14. Knot the ribbon into a bow and glue to the top of the triangular gray cardstock, acting like a bouquet wrap. Thank you for joining us today for this animated offset basic fold greeting card of our animated greeting card fold series. Until next time, bye for now. Remember, you are the designer. Thank you.